Welcome to Brinov's Gallery. NCERT Syllabus. Class 2 Maths. Chapter 11. Lines and Lines. Whose line is it? Today, there is a cricket match in Fatima's school. Fatima, Jasbir and Raima have each brought their own stump from home. They keep these in a corner of the room. Fatima keeps her stump in standing position. Jabir keeps his stump in slanting position. Raima keeps her stump in sleeping position. To show others how they have kept their stumps, they draw lines in a notebook. Fatima draws a standing line. Jasbir draws a slanting line. Raima draws a sleeping line. Match the picture of each child with the correct line. Here are some standing lines, slanting lines and sleeping lines. Now draw some more such lines. I can draw lines with the side of my pencil box. I can draw lines with the scale. I will try to draw lines with only my hand. Ekta's lines are not straight. These are curved. Draw more curved lines by joining the dots. Fun with lines. Jigyasa has a clock. She can read the time written in numbers and also the day of the week. The numbers and letters are made with straight lines. Jigyasa made more numbers and letters with used matchsticks. Come make some more. Collect used matchsticks. Have fun making numbers and letters with these. Is there any number or letter that you cannot with matchsticks? Now write some numbers using straight lines. What about writing letters using straight lines? Which ones are easy? Find out where else numbers and letters are written with straight lines. Dancing lines. Ramya saw a traffic policeman giving directions to vehicles. Does a traffic policeman sometimes make curved lines? Ramya tried to act like a traffic policeman. She made many straight and curved lines. It was fun. It looked like dance. Look at his arms. They look like standing and sleeping lines. Try the dance steps given below and enjoy like Ramya. Designs with dots. Join the dots with curved or straight lines. Make your own designs. Lines in pictures. Nancy saw these pictures made by folk artists. Look for different types of lines, curved, standing, slanting and sleeping. Draw some more pictures like these. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brinov's Gallery. Thank you.